Normal lens. A normal lens, also called a standard lens, is a lens with a focal length between 35 mm to 50 mm. The focal length of standard lens are most similar to how the human eye see the world. Wide-angle lens. A wide-angle lens has a focal length of 35 mm or shorter, which give you a wide field of view. Telephoto lens. A telephoto lens has a longer focal length than a standard lens, yielding a magnifying image and narrow field of view. Macro lens is a special type of camera lens that has the ability to work with very short focusing distance, taking sharp image of very small object. Zoom lens is any lens that can vary its focal length and its angle of view by physically moving the various optical in the lens design.